Alright, vlog tonight. What's going on, micro scale garagers? Been sitting here, I've been doing a lot of 3D printing. I haven't even had a chance to get back into my build videos on the OH32 803. But as you guys see here on the OH25 BC, been trying to make some stelliy rims. And then me and Kristine this morning, we just designed these. I call these the Kristine rims. She wants to call them Leo rims, Kristine rims. I don't know. I like them a lot. Never video about rims, but I just wanted to do a quick video real quick. Just showing the stellies that I designed so far. I still got to fix the center hull. Center hull's not center. That was the first design on Kristine's rim. I got a whole bunch of other designs going on. Like, I think those are my favorite. You guys saw those in the last episode of Micro Scale Garage. But today I just want to talk about this, and I want to talk about the scale jack stand that I'm making. I'm making it smaller. This was printed on the monoprice mini delta, but for some reason I think my monoprice I printed at 0.2 speed. Pretty slow for the monoprice delta, but it's like I don't know, I was messing around with the layer heights and it's being real poopy. So I gotta fix that. A lot of spitting out the filament. So tonight or tomorrow morning I'm gonna print a smaller jack stand that's gonna be working on this printer. So that way, because this printer has a 0.2 nozzle, so I'm gonna print it on this printer right here, so that way I can try and get a smaller jack stand in this one, because this one don't look all that scale. And then there's my super deep rims, 5 stars. But just wanted you guys to get a look at the stellies. I mean, truck or drive, they grip, they're holding. And then look at Kristine's rim. I really like the stellies in that bronze for this truck. I think I'm gonna print some off in the bronze. But yeah, that's the latest design right there. Split 5 star. I'm really digging those, and then I'm digging the stellies too. So let me know in the comments which design for the Bronco to wear in the next video, because I got snow outside. So I want to charge up my batteries, and tomorrow I want to drive on the course with some snow, but I don't know which rims to use. Alright, you guys, peace out. Have a blessed night. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.